What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Marshall and his brother Sam and Bella, we're all about to head out and go pick up a new car. So stay tuned to see what that one is.
Dude, it's you're gonna look at it, you're gonna say one of two things. You're gonna get really excited, or you're gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Well guys, here it is. This car is something we've been talking about getting for a while, and when we saw this deal, we just couldn't resist. We weren't super serious about buying it at first, so we threw out a lowball offer and the guy accepted it. So I guess we accidentally bought a limo, but I could not be happier with it.
Keys? Key?
Backup camera.
You got the shitty gas cap with you?
Yeah, it's
Right in the seat.
in the seat, yeah. Gotta get a new gas cap for this hog.
Dude, the fucking parking brake comes out automatically when you put it in fucking drive. Fuck, this is a long bitch. I don't know where the fuck I thought I was going to park at. I'm just gonna take up like these 5 spots over here.
Yeah, true.
This is about one of the only times you'll see a fucking limo in front of an O'Reilly's.
We got some washer fluid for a nice clean windshield. And we got a new gas cap with no lock on it.
Oh, you got the door panel away.
I've already had a ton of people ask me, Gabe, why'd you buy a limo? What are you gonna do with that thing? And my answer's pretty simple. Because we can.
Oh, she's going 90! Alright, I gotta let off. Dude, it's stable. It feels, it's a stable.
If I can't look back when I'm 40 and say, hey Marshall, remember that time in our 20s when we bought that fucking limo? Then what's the point of any of this, you know? Now it's time for the preliminary shitbox detailing segment where we make our new project look mildly less shitty. As you guys can see, this thing is a basket case of problems, but, I mean, for the price we paid, I can't even complain.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood?
Pop the hood. This absolute unit comes equipped with the Corvette-derived LT1 5.7-liter engine with a neck-disintegrating 260 horsepower, along with the always reliable 4L60E transmission.
POV decal scraping. Okay, so here we've got lightning fast diluted about 1 to 20 right here. And then we're gonna come in, we're gonna soak the affected area just with a light spritzing here. And then we're gonna come in with a drill brush and just spray just a tad more. A little bit of this goes a pretty long way. All right, let's go ahead and do our first pass with the extractor. We're probably gonna have to make a few passes at the shitty parts here.
So this is what your carpet extractor pulls out.
Nice chocolate milk.
One bit at a time.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. Not perfect, but we'll take it. Like this. guys are in the greater Colorado Springs area and you need a mobile detailer, call me up at MO Details.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh wait, yeah, you go your way so you can work out all the excess.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.